So we've got some names right here with spaces in between the names. So as you can see, if I double click, there's some space at the front, also in the middle, and also towards the end. And it's all pretty inconsistent. The easiest way to fix this is through a trim function. So what we're going to do is press equals, trim, open bracket, select your data range and press enter. As you can see, Excel has automatically updated the names and only created one space between both words. But now let's say you wanted to delete all the spaces and create only one word. The easiest way to do that is by selecting your data range and then pressing Ctrl H, which will open the find and replace window. Then on replace, on the first one which says find what, we're just going to enter one spacebar. And then in terms of replacing it with, we're going to leave that blank. Then press replace all, press OK. And as you can see, Excel has deleted all the spaces and created one word.